Hey, we are in Canada right now, but we are on our way to minister very, very shortly in Austin, Texas. We are so excited for January 11th and 12th. January 11th and 12th, we will be ministering in Austin, Texas with our dear friend Shalope. And we'll be down there, and it's a free conference. However, you do have to register. So the website to register is right below me, and so all the details of the conference is here on the screen. And so we want to invite you to come. It's going to be an awesome conference. It's going to be on the prophetic. We're going to do a lot of prophetic training, things of that nature. You don't want to miss it. Help us get the word out to all your friends in Texas, Austin, Texas, January 11 and 12th. It's going to be powerful, and we're excited for it. We're going to train you up in the prophetic, and we're going to prophesy over you and minister to you. It's going to be, man, it's going to be awesome. Don't miss it. Miracle signs and wonders as well. We love you guys. Bless you. Don't miss this free event, but don't forget to register right away. Okay? Love you guys.